Hello! In this video, we'll be talking about shapes and 3D models in chemistry. Chemicals and molecules are everywhere, and each molecule has its own shape, just like the ball toy that you have or the things on your playground. These toys and pretty much everything that you see around you is made up of molecules. Each molecule has electrons, negative electrons that should be as far away from each other as possible to minimize repulsion, or in simple words, commotion. Some bright minds formulated the VSEPR theory, or the valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, to predict the shape of a certain molecule based on the number of electron pairs attached to the central atom. I will elaborate this to you later. If our molecule has 2 electron pairs, then that means you also have 2 bonding pairs, or we can also call these bonding pairs as lollipops because it looks like this. Then the shape of your molecule also looks like this. This shape is called linear because it is a straight line and has an angle of 180 degrees. The color blue in the center is the central atom, and the gray lollipops attached to it are the bonding pairs. Let's say you have 3 electron pairs and all of these pairs are bonding pairs. The shape of your molecule will be like this. And this is called the trigonal planar because the 3 bonding pairs form a triangle shape. The bond angle of this shape is 120 degrees. If there is a bonding pair, then there is also a lone pair or the unshared pair. If you have 3 electron pairs and 2 of these are bonding pairs and the other one is a lone pair, your molecule's shape looks like this. This one right here is the lone pair. This shape is called the bent or angular because looking at the 2 bonding pairs, they are bent. The bond angle is still 120 degrees. To easily name the geometry or the molecular shape for every number of electron pairs, remember these names. For 2 electron pairs, it is called linear. For 3 electron pairs, it's trigonal planar. For 4 electron pairs, it's tetrahedral. For 5, trigonal bipyramidal. And for 6, it's called the octahedral. Now we know that there are a lot more molecular shapes and geometry ranging from 2 electron pairs up to 6 electron pairs. On the following clips, pay attention on the white lines to picture out the formed shape of the bonding pairs. For the 4 electron pairs, we have the tetrahedral, trigonal pyramidal, and the bent or angular. For the 5 electron pairs, we have the trigonal bipyramidal, the seesaw, the T-shape, and the linear. For the 6 electron pairs, we have the octahedral, the square pyramidal, the square planar, the T-shaped, and the linear. Let us have a recap. Everything that you see around you is made up of molecules, and each molecule has its own shape. The VSEPR theory helps us predict the shape of a molecule and the name of that shape. Just remember that aside from the number of bonding pairs and lone pairs for a certain number of electron pairs, your imagination and perspective will help you understand, predict, and picture the shapes and geometry of a molecule and eventually the processes and the world around you. That's all for today. Stay young and curious.